This is Ngobo 2010 Sharp Eye channel. We are here at FNB Stadium, Kaizer Chiefs 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 0. My brother, how's it?
Nagi Sharp Bosaga.
Sharp na. We could have a game yesterday.
I go to Pila.
We could have how do you feel about tonight's game?
Yeah, game again. Yeah, what's it? Nagi Guta Sintle. Sundown, calendar lajo.
Yes.
Salam Peta 4. No, Jesus. Kajagu. Sundown, Ikono Bonner. You are now not go young. I'm not back. I want to go young.
Yeah.
Or no so well. Sundown. Napila Naga Atishinak. Nega 4. Give it a 4. What's the one?
Revenge, yeah.
It's a revenge.
Yeah.
Everywhere I go in.
Yeah.
In a little point. Margajo, it's a man like 1 point.
Yeah.
As you was a pillar of 2.
Why let me talk about
Akajiwa, Sundown Suzuki, Sundown 10 years like when I know Taleba how. No, so guy, Lela Jago, I'll never tell. Sundown on Ogea. Gorubutar, wow.
Is in yet?
Oh, Gobutar, wow. Sundown, I Grasil. Oh, the sister.
This is it. Everything. This is it.
I bet.
Yeah. Thank you. Yeah.
Tell them. I can go blame coach. I can blame mood.
Yeah.
On the way. Nah. Say Salan, Sundown Kajak, Ibo, Nilionore. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know because I'm a bigger missus. Bigger missus. Yeah. The way you go.
Thanks, my brother. All the best. For your soccer updates and breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010sharpeye.com.